Hello students, today we are going to read the lesson The Proposal by Anton Chekhov. Character and characterization. Stephen Chekhov is a landowner. His physical looks like 60 years old. He is a kind man and polite. For instance, to his neighbor, he is relaxed and senile. Natalia is a Chekhov's daughter. Chubukov's daughter. She is 25 years old. Natalia, a fussy girl. She wants to get everything what she wants. She is in love. She is like a lovesick cat. Ivan is a neighbor of Chupkov. He is 35 years old, a critical age. Ivan is a large and hearty. If he gets nervous, his heart palpitating awfully, especially when faced with Natalia. He doesn't have a brave. He's in front of a woman. Place. It happened in Chupkov's country house, exactly a drawing room. Time. It happened in evening about 7 p.m. Theme. The farce explores the process of getting married and could be read as satire on the upper middle class and courtship. The play points out the struggle to balance the economic necessities of marriage and what the characters themselves actually want. It shows the characters' desperation for marriage as comical. In Chekhov's Russia, marriage was a mean of economic stability for most people. They married to gain wealth and possessions or to satisfy social pressure. The satire is conveyed successfully by emphasizing the couple's foolish argument over small things. The main argument in the play revolves around the oxen meadows and two dogs called Ogadi and Otokatai. Key points. Lomov is received in Chubukov's house. Lomov tells him the purpose of his visit. Chubukov consents. Lomov thinks of Natalia as his own life. Natalia and Lomov together talk. Lomov starts talking of his land. Lomov explains the ownership. Argument continues. Shouting starts. Chupkov sides with Natalia. Abuses exchange. Accusation exchange. Chupkov tells the purpose behind Lomov's visit. Summary. It is Chupkov's house. Lomov enters. Chubukov meets him. Chubukov is extremely happy to meet him. He asks him to sit down. He also asks him where he is going in the evening dress. Lomov tells him that he has come to see him with a request. He wants to say but get excited. Chubukov feels that he has come to borrow money. Lomov starts speaking. But he talks of this thing or that thing. At last he says that he has come to ask Natalia's hand. Chubkov gets greatly excited to hear it. Chubkov embraces and kisses Lomov for it. He says that he always wanted that. Lomov asks him if he should think that he gives his consent. Chubkov okays it. He tells him that Natalia also is in love with him. Natalia enters. She asks him why he is in evening dress. Is he going to a ball? Lomov tries to tell her the purpose behind the visit, but he is off to a point. He tells that he has known her family for long. He also tells her he inherited his land and how he respects Natalia's father. He tells her that had his oxen meadows touched Natalia's birch wood, and over the issue they fight verbally like bulldogs. Natalia refuses Lomov's claim. Offers to make a present to the Natalia. Natalia gets angry. She comes to a low level. She starts accusing Lomov. They start shouting at each other. Chupkov enters. Natalia asks him to tell Lomov that oxen meadow are theirs. Lomov refuses this. Chubukov clarifies that by shouting, Lomov threatens to take Chubkov to courts. They exchange abuses, calling that Lomov's grandfather was a drunkard. His younger uncle, Natalia, ran away with an architect. His younger aunt, Natasha, ran away with an architect. Lomov wants to say something, but he feels that not, he is dying. Natalia calls Lomov a rascal. Chupko calls him the villain and the scarecrow. He calls him a monster who has the courage to propose. Hearing propose, Natalia asks what proposal. Tells her that Lomov had come to propose her for marriage. She starts weeping. She calls Chupkov to bring him back at once. She is in hysterics. He laments that he is a great burden to be a father of a grown up daughter. Lomovs enter. He has palpitating heart. Natalia begs to be excused. She tells him that the meadows are his. Their talk now centers on dogs. Zhukov also adds that Lomov's dog Guess is old and short. Lomov cites facts for his dog's superiority. He cites a dog race with the Count's dog. In that Squeezer was left behind. Dogs ran, but Squeezer ran after a sheep. Lomov speaks about the condition of his heart. Natalia asks him what sort of hunter he is. He should go to the kitchen and not go after foxes. Chupkov sides with Natalia. He adds that Lomov should sit at home. He changes the subject to avoid losing his temper. Lomov and he exchange abuses, calling intriguer, pup, rat, etc. Lomov tells that Chupkov's late wife beat him. He falls down. Natalia asks her father what has happened to Lomov. Chupkov feels sick as he can't breathe. Chupkov, Chupkov asks what the matter. Natalia says that Lomov is dead. At, the, at this, Chupkov calls for water and a doctor. Chubukov starts accusing him. He calls him the most unhappy man. He demands for a knife or a pistol. Lomov is reviving. Lomov says he sees stars. He asks where he is. Chubukov asks him hurry up and get married. Natalia is also willing to marry him. Chubukov asks him to kiss each other. Lomov asks him whom he should kiss. He then says that he understands. Natalia is also happy. Chubukov feels that a weight has come off his shoulder. He offers some champagne. The conclusion is content, the man and the society. In this story, the man faced by the society in a round. The story is so funny with the actor and actress which are also so funny. Drama can entertain us and the story is so easy to understand. There are three actors in the story, Stefan, Natalia and Ivan. We can take the positive point of the story. There are differences of but cannot be something that makes someone be enemy. Finally, the differences of us will be something that good and nice in the end. So we must accept the differences between us and then respect each other. So this is the story of the play The Proposal.